There is Gunner. Hi, Gunner. And here's some yummy, yummy grapes. Does Gunner want a grape? You want a grape? Yummy! You want another grape? Does somebody want a grape? Yummy, yummy, yummy grape. Yummy, yummy. Oh, you happy dog. Hey, somebody really want a grape? You really want a grape? No. Can you catch it? Nope. You want another grape? Okay. Ooh. Okay, try that again. Where did it go, Bubba? Alright. Last one. It's a yummy grape. Yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, let's see how many we got left. I can hear your tail wagging. You want the grape? Do you want it? You want it? Go get it. Will you do a trick for a nummy yummy grape? Yeah? Give me your paw. Give me your paw. No. Shake. That's not the right one. Shake. You just want that grape so bad, don't you? No. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, she thinks it's something yummy. Only the dog thinks the grapes are yummy. Kitties don't like grapes. Only bizarre doggies like grapes. Ooh, yummy. With that big nose. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. There's 3 grapes left. Do you want them? Do you want the grapes? Is it 1 grape? Oh, yum, 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 yum. You want another grape? You want another grape? This is the last one. That's it, honey. There's no more grapes. That's it. You like the grapes. Sorry, baby, that's all. That's all, Gunner. No more grapes. Where's your good boy?